In this lesson, I will work with hole series. If you worked with hole wizard in the part level, then it will be very easy for you to understand about this hole series, because you can use this hole series only in the assembly environment. That means this is assembly feature. You can get that hole series under this drop down menu from here. When I activate this hole series, there are 5 tabs. You can see in the first tab you have to specify the position of the hole. In the second tab you have to define the hole type and the size of the hole. In the third tab you have to specify information for the middle part. For the fourth tab you have to specify the information for the last part, and at the last, in the 5th tab, you can see this is called Smart Fastener. If you don't see this, you have to activate this toolbox from this design library. If you don't activate this toolbox, you will not see this option. So in my program, this is activated, that's why I am seeing this thing. So now, first I will specify my position for the hole. So I will first specify any position here. When I specify my position, you can see this is the preview. And for the second tab, now I have to define my hole specification. So I will select counter bore, NC inch, socket head cap screw, size 1 inch. After making this selection, next I will go to the next tab. The next tab is for the second body, and you can see this is the preview. And if I select this auto size based on start hole, it will take information from the first tab, from this tab, and based on that information it will give me the necessary screw clearance. And for the last tab, I can specify different type of hole, like simple hole or tapping hole or slot. For this example, I will select this tapped hole, and I will select this option, auto size based on start hole. Then if I select this option, I do not need to manually select this. SolidWorks will automatically select the right one for me. And I have to specify the end component, which will be the end component. This will be the end component. So I selected that component. And for the tab reel, I will select throw all. And in the last option, you can see fastener. If I want to put any fastener after placing the hole, I will select this place fastener. Inside this option, you can see SolidWorks automatically detects the right fastener for me. And if I press OK, and if I see from the cross section, SolidWorks creates this hole, this 3 hole, and already put it one fastener for me. So if I can see this length is not right. If I want, I can change from this Smart Fastener folder. Just right click and edit toolbox component, and from here I can change the length. So by this way, I can add series of hole and quickly I can put my fastener. And if I want, I can also use this hole series for the existing holes. Suppose if I go to inside this top part, and if I use this hole, and I will use this hole series by using this hole. So I will not use create new hole, I will use existing hole, and from here I will select this hole. When I will select this hole, SolidWorks will take information from this hole and it will give me the preview. And you can see from the first step I cannot do anything from here because SolidWorks already take all information from the existing hole. and rest of the information is okay. I will press OK.